kitchen. I love it. This was my first haul to ShopRite. So I'm going to show you what I got to get started. We got water. These were Pure Life. That's what they're called, right, buddy?
Yeah.
They were on sale, 3 for $12. He goes, oh, but it's purified. I said, listen, they were on sale for 3 for $12. Isn't water? Then let me tell you something. I got Bounty, but let me tell you something. This Paper Bird brand is so good and it's cheaper. This was on sale for $9. I don't like thick toilet paper. It clogs the toilet. So I like this.
I can't with your conspiracy theories.
Listen. And then I got Cherry Diet. I'm sorry. They were on sale 4 for $16. So I'm going to be having company. I know I said I was going to get the healthy diet soda. And I promise I'm going to when I get a chance to order it. So I love this too. Cherry Coke Zero. I got 4. Because they were on sale, 4 for $16. How could you beat that? I still didn't make my tomatoes because we got no time. So I got my crushed tomatoes. I got my breadcrumb, of course. I got a lot of stuff. I was a little bad this time because I usually get healthier. But I said, you know what? We're going to be snowed in this weekend, so we need food. I got this for biscotti. I'm going to freeze it separately. Beef stir fry. I put it in little
Very
zip
lean
bags.
for him.
Very lean. I got my pork cutlets because who don't love a nice pork cutlet? You like chicken cutlets better. I got my Primo sausage. This is my go-to. It's excellent. I love it. Okay. I got...
A lot of people say local deli. Yeah, you do that too, but that's just as good. Exactly. It really is.
I got my fresh neck bones for my Sunday sauce. And I did this something a little different. I'm going to throw in my Sunday sauce. Boneless ribs. I says that comes nice and tender in the sauce. I got my hot dogs because I'm gonna make my husband hot dogs and onions. But guess what? I forgot the buns. I'm gonna have to get some buns. I forgot the buns. I got my sea salt coarse, right? Because we're gonna put it in my new hex-clad grinder that I got. So I bought the coarse sea salt. I got my deodorant and my Intuition. These are my favorite razors ever. I got those, the disposable. It's like soap attached to it. They're the best. Now, who knows how to say this right? Because I don't. Worcestershire sauce.
I'm not even going to attempt it.
Worcestershire sauce.
You're
so
cute.
I got that. I got my, it said simple Jif. So I figured simple, better. I don't know. Less salt, less sugar, less whatever. Then I got buttermilk waffles. Sorry. See, I'm still getting over my cold. My flu. I got pancake mix. Maybe I'll make my husband and my son pancakes this weekend. Listen, my husband loves this soup once in a while. The Lipton's noodle soup. He wanted it the other day and I didn't have it. Don't mind my cough. I'm sorry. I got Simple Crunch peanut butter kind. Okay. I got a bag of apples. These are my favorite. Well, these are Macintosh are my favorite. This is Honey Crisp. They're so nice and sweet. Okay. Put a little peanut butter on it. I got my 2 limes. I got baby carrots for baby biscotti because I make it with his chicken and his beef. I got grits. I says 5-minute grits.
You like
Sometimes
grits.
You like grit. I like a grit. So I got the 5-minute ones. Bowl and a basket of bacon was on sale. $3.99. That's cheap for bacon. So I got it. It looks beautiful. So I'm going to cook some bacon for Mauro too this week. Alrighty. And then I told you I cheated. We're going to be snowed in. Look, buddy, I got you these ranch flavor. The Wavies were on sale. Lay's 3 for $6. That's cheap. I got them out of the lightly salted and I got 1 ranch for him. Okay? Then I got Totitos scoops because I already have salsa. So I didn't have to buy it. I got my real mayo because real mayo is real mayo. I know, use the light. I gotta try it. My sister uses it. I couldn't pass these up. Turkey and stuffing potato chips.
We're trying those.
Yeah, they looked good. I got my husband banana cream yogurt because he loves banana yogurt. Okay. I got my son because we got a nice juicer. We're going to juice. I got blueberries. Oh, this is a good find. A ketchup, no sugar. You can't tell the difference. Try it. The ketchup, no sugar. You'll never know that it has no sugar.
I didn't know you worked for Heinz.
I got beef ramen. Sometimes, you know, if you're in the house and you want something quick, whatever. I got romaine lettuce. You know what I'm looking for? The microgreens, and I can't find them. That my friend Leah uses all the time. I got fresh carrots. I got Jell-O pudding because Mauro likes that. Okay, we're going. I got some hummus because we're going to be home. I got you pizza bagels. I was bad today. You like these, right? I'm not crazy about pizza bagels. I got raspberry yogurt, Chobani. Then I got my son. He said, get me a California roll sushi. Look at how good that looks. They just made it fresh. And I got a poke bowl with salmon. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? I says, we're going to munch. I got my Kerrygold butter because it's the best, right? Look it. I'm a-coming. I got you and Daddy shaving cream. This is the right one, right, Nivea?
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you.
I got club crackers because we love them. Oh, where's Biscotti?
Over there.
You got them? I got club crackers because we love them. And these looked good. Look, a snack mix. They were on sale. I know, I use sales for an excuse.
You're a justifier.
This is the only brand of espresso
we're going to try it.
Had for our new Breville. So we're going to try that. I got a few Tupperwares because I still didn't find mine from the storage unit.
We
so
definitely have them.
I might have threw a lot of them out. This is a scrub brush for the shoes. I always clean our shoes, the bottom of our shoes with these. I got some paper plates. And I'm telling you, these tissues, they're good. The Paper Bird brand. They're very good. Okay? You like my tote, dog mom? Isn't that cute?
Very.
I got Q-tips, one for upstairs, one for downstairs, because we need them. I got some nice fresh celery for Buddy's juices and my soups. I got jelly to go with the peanut butter, because Mauro loves peanut butter and jelly. This is very good from ShopRite. It's multi-grain bread. I love it. I keep it in the freezer, and then I just toast them as I need them. And I got, let me tell you something. This is I never used this before. This is excellent. The Dawn spray. Love it, love it, love it. Spray and wash, because sometimes you get stains. I already bought Tide. That's why I didn't get it today. And this is my all-time favorite bathroom cleaner. For shower, sink, everything. Scrubbing bubbles. I've been using this forever. My mother used this. When we were little, she used to hand me the can and say, go clean the bathroom. So this is my haul, guys. I love you guys. Welcome to the house. And we got a lot of good meals coming here, I promise.